So Charlie says to write an equation for the total number of metals. So we're going to write our equation. And if I was better about writing my notebooks, it would have been on the same page as these two. But I didn't write it that way. So we're going to write it right up here. So we have our silver metals plus our gold metals plus our bronze metals equal the total number. So for our silver metals, if you remember, that is our X. For gold, if you go back, you can also see that, but that was twice the number of silver, so that would be 2X. Bronze was 1 fewer than silver, so that would be X minus 1. And all together, Jamaica won that year 11 medals. So if we go to delta, because that's our equation, we go to delta, it says solve your equation in part C. What is the value of X? What does this represent? But we need to solve first. So the first thing that we're going to do, just like we learned before, is we're going to combine like terms. The ones that look alike, we're going to add them together. How many X's do we have? 1 plus 2X, or 1X plus 2X is 3X, plus one more is 4X. I still have one unit tile that's negative or red, equals 11. So now we're getting back into what we were doing before. So I need to make a 0 pair so that my X's are on one side, my 1's are on the other. So I need to get rid of this guy right here. So to make that 0, I need to add the opposite color than this red 1, which would be a blue 1, because those are opposites of each other. And because this is mat A, I know the difference between the two because my equal sign tells me. I'm going to do the same thing over on mat B so that I can keep the two sides of the equation equivalent, equal to each other. I only have 4X on mat A now, and I have 12 on mat B. I used up one line by putting all my things on there, so it'll be all right. I don't want to know what 4X is equal to. I want to know what 1X is. So I need to have a giant 1 right here. So I'm going to divide this side by 4 so that I have that 1X, giant 1X. Also going to divide this side by 4. And we get X is equal to 3 silver. Going back over here, let's double check and see if we answered that question. About what's the value of X? We answered that. What does it represent? We gave it a unit. How many gold medals did Jamaica earn? Explain how you know. So if Jamaica, earned 3 silver, then twice as many is 6 gold, because you're multiplying 3 times 2 equals 6. I think I answered all 3 of these before, but that's okay. Good practice for us to also figure out what bronze is.